Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore budgeting workflows with Monarch Money rules, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Monarch Money account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can access your budgeting tools. Locate the section labeled Workflows in the menu. Click on Workflows to open your existing budgeting workflows. Review your current workflows and identify any that need restoration. Select a workflow that requires attention. Click on the Edit button associated with that workflow. Examine the current rules applied to this workflow. Identify any outdated or ineffective rules that may need updating. To add a new rule, look for the Add Rule option. Click on Add Rule to open the Rule Creation menu. Choose the category of expenses you intend to manage with this rule. Specify the criteria for the rule, such as spending limits or transaction types. Input your desired actions for the rule, like notifications or category assignments. Save your new rule once all fields are completed. Repeat this process for any additional rules needed to enhance the workflow. Once all rules are updated, review the workflow in its entirety. Make sure all rules align with your budgeting goals. Click Save to confirm all changes to the workflow. Return to the main budgeting dashboard. Monitor your workflow performance using the dashboard analytics. Make adjustments to the rules as necessary based on your spending behavior. Commit to regularly reviewing and updating your workflows for optimal budgeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.